Welcome, everyone. It's a new day. I'm off today. It's payday, and I'm going out. I'm going to check my debit card balance at the ATM at 7-Eleven. I got direct deposit. Want to see what my new balance is with my new paycheck added, and I prefer checking that at the ATM. $922, and I got breakfast, but I already ate it. I'm going to BK to get some BK. Making my way to Burger King. Anyone gotta go? Finish my BK. Need to go buy some nail clippers because I lost mine. Yeah, cut my nails so I can play guitar better. I'm gonna go over to my bank and get my rent money out of the ATM. It was actually raining when I went over to look at the guitars in the window. It looks like the rain cloud has passed over to that way, and this way is completely clear skies. So to get my rent money, I'm walking towards the rain cloud. Fuck the rent money, I'm going back. It started snowing. The clear sky has gone, completely draped over by this cloud that I thought was going the other way. Is this Blizzard 2025 that I'm in the middle of? It's not sticking to the parking lot, but sticking, well, it is some, but it's sticking to the grass, the trees. It cleared up while I was inside eating my pizza, so I'm gonna go out again and try to get the rent money from the ATM at my bank. Excuse me. It's snowing again. Fuck you, Satan. I got my rent money anyway. Okay, I'm making my way home now. In the direction of the snowstorm cloud. Again.
Be safe.
I made it home. Yay!
What to watch. And please don't try this.
Watching a SmackDown 20th anniversary DVD while waiting on pizza.
The briefcase again, but Natalia, the rest of them are back in too. You thought no disqualification meant New Day had a better chance of winning. How sadly mistaken you were.
I've never watched this show before, but I like Full House, and so also at Walmart decided to give it a chance. That's all I'm going to do for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.